today we're gonna be doing the mystery box. So
let's see what we have.
Bryson is right over there. And let's see what we have. What is this?
You gotta pull them out. There's a whole bunch of those. I wanted to see if we could collect them all.
Whoa.
Keep pulling them out, and then we'll pull them out and see which ones we have.
Whoa.
What are those? Are those Ryan's World Mysteries? Whoa.
Whoa.
What is that? That looks like a Stretch Armstrong.
There's another one.
Let's see. Yeah, maybe so you and your brother can both play with one. What's in there? What all's in there?
Bag.
Let's see.
Another one. Another one.
Okay, very cool.
Whoa. Got me a lot. Whoa, another one. Another one. Another one.
Oh my goodness. I think there's 12 altogether. Let's see close up. What are those?
Okay, that's all.
Can I see one?
Let's open it.
So this is a Dino Universe Ryan's World mystery figure. And it looks like you can get a Dr. Ryan paleontologist, a Dino combo, Professor Pecksworth, Dino Lexa. Which one did you get? Oh, you got Geologist Gus. There's Sheldon, Jurassic Sheldon, and Robo Sheldon. Robo Sheldon's an ultra rare. I wonder if we'll get any rare ones or ultra rare ones. Yeah. Let's see.
I really want to get an ultra rare.
All right, open them.
Whoa, this one's Ryan.
That one's Ryan. Wow. Okay,
Adventure
let's see.
Ryan.
That's Adventure Ryan. Let's open him up.
Maybe this is a rare.
Oh, well, I think that one's not a rare one. The rare one is the Jurassic Sheldon and Robo Sheldon.
Oh.
So we'll have to see. We have 12 of them to open. Maybe we'll get lucky and get a rare or an ultra rare one.
Whoa, look at all these bags.
Yeah, look at all of these. Oh, this one comes with it comes with something. We'll have to open all these up and see what we get.
Yeah. Whoa, I got Alexa.
Oh, cool. Who's that? That's Dino Lexa.
Whoa, is she rare?
No, she's not a rare one either. We have to keep looking, see if we get any rare ones. There's Ryan again.
Which one is it this time?
That's still Dr. Ryan. You have 2 Dr. Ryans now. Very cool.
Well, that's good. So now Joanne can have one Dr. Ryan too.
That's right. Oh, it looks like you got another Dino Lexa. What's that?
Combo.
That's
Combo.
Dino Combo.
Dino Combo.
Very cool.
Dino Combo.
So that's Combo Panda as a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Dino Combo.
All right, let's line them up and see what all we have here.
Okay, I really hope I get a rare or ultra.
Oh, I think we got another Dino Lexa, huh?
Oh.
Yep, we have 3 of those now. Wow, she must be really popular.
Yeah. Really popular.
What is it? What did you get? Another Ryan.
Another Dr. Ryan.
And now you have 3 Dr. Ryans, just like 3 Lexas.
Crazy.
It is crazy. Another one of her. Oh my goodness.
Whoa, she must be really famous.
Yeah, maybe she is. So now we've opened, it looks like we've opened, what is that, 9? So we have what, 3 more to go? Is that another Ryan?
Oh.
Let's see. So we have 10. Are we going to get another one, a different kind in the last 2? Another Ryan.
Oh
my
no,
goodness.
it's different. That one's red.
That one's red. I think they're all red.
Just check.
Yep, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Ryans.
And we have 4 Alpha Alexas.
And what is it last? Oh, Ryan. Is there another one?
Yeah.
One more?
Oh, no.
One last. Nope, that's it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of those, we ended up with 6 Ryans, 4 Alexas, 1 Gus, and 1 combo. Womp womp. No rare or ultra rares. All right, so let's see what this guy is.
Oh, he's Superman.
What does he do?
Whoa.
Stretch him.
Stretch.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Look.
He goes back.
Captain America. Squash. Look,
That's
you-
pretty
look,
cool.
you can squish him.
Oh, wow.
Honey.
Are you going to open your brothers for him? Okay.
I want this one.
Which one?
This one.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want this one. Whoa.
Whoa. All right, let's go ahead and play with our mystery box toys. That was the mystery box for the week.
We can't turn it off yet. We have to show them opening the
Oh, we have
bags.
to open all the bags. Okay, go ahead and open all the bags. Let's see what's in those. It looks like she has binoculars that come with her.
Whoa, her arms move. Cool. Let's see Gus. Bryson, do you want to be in the video now?
Oh, what's with Gus?
Whoa, he has a flashlight.
Oh, cool. Let's see him close up. Wow.
Gus. Looks like there's nothing that moves on him.
Okay.
But Alpha Lex? Shh. See what this Ryan does. Might move hands just like Alex will. So maybe fun. Ugh. Ugh. Oh,
Can you bite it? Bite it and rip it.
Would you get it open? Would you get it open?
Yeah, we're getting it open, bud.
That's right. And now comes the Combo Panda.
Here you go. There's Ryan. What does Ryan do?
He moves his head and moves his arms.
Cool.
That's cool. Now it's time for Combo. Maybe Combo is rare? Ultra rare?
No, I don't think combo was rare or ultra rare. There was the
Maybe it's
rare and ultra rare are Jurassic Sheldon.
Oh, look!
I
What's that
know.
one say? What's that one say?
It says Dino combo. The rare is the Jurassic Sheldon and the
Real
Robo Sheldon.
That one?
Yeah, and those two on the bottom, Geologist Gus and Jurassic Sheldon, they're both glow in the dark. Didn't you get a Geologist Gus?
Yeah, I
He's
did.
glow in the
That's
dark.
Glow in the dark.
Oh, cool.
Cool.
That is really cool.
That's cool. Here, Bryce, catch.
All right.
Doesn't go open that for me. Looks like this. It looks like I got a glow in the dark one.
That's pretty cool.
Here's Carmel turns his head. Moves his arms. Gus doesn't do anything. And that's cool. I got a glow in the dark one. Let's see if it really goes in the dark.
Well, how are we going to make it glow in the dark? Are you going to turn the lights out?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, let's see. Bring it over here. Why don't you stick it inside the box and we'll see if it glows.
Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah, let's see if it glows.
See if you can make it glow inside of the box.
Whoa, I can see it. Do you see it?
I don't see it glowing.
Well, it looks like we did.
Maybe it needs to power up in the sun to be able to glow. That's okay. All right, let's go ahead and finish our video up. Tell everybody bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for joining.
Yeah.